Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. I know I haven't done a cosplay related video in a while. So what I bring you here today guys is a faceplate of the Mark 39 Star Boost. This is the Tony Stark suit to go into space. Actually this suit wasn't too much into the Iron Man 3 movie. It was just like a 3 second, but it's one of the most epic suits in my opinion. I started just with the faceplate. This was 3D printed at home in an Ender 3 Pro, and it came out really almost there, almost perfect. I just had a little issue in the bottom of it. The print shifted a little bit, so I gotta heat it up and try to fix it, and a little string, but in under the eyes. But overall, it came out really good. The thickness, everything is just perfect, as if you use 5 or 4 millimeter foam. And I just gotta do a little bit of fixing around, and then I'm gonna paint and do a makeover for it and make it look gold. So I just wanted to show you this guys. Something like this actually takes around 8 hours. So 3D printing is not making anything a lot better. It's just it saves you the work. You can actually just leave it on the printer and do other stuff. But overall, it's not a finished product. You still gotta put work into it, and you still gotta really have to go into making the details pop out more. It's perfect for me because I can work in other stuff. You have to be careful when you set up the settings for this. You can't make it. You can actually have issues if you don't know what you're doing. When I started, I had a lot of issues. I wasn't making the plastic. So when I started, I had a lot of issues because I didn't know how much infill to use, how to place it into the bed, so you can actually waste and use up more of the plastic that you shouldn't. But this is a good way to start just with a faceplate. And we're gonna print the whole helmet next. Just wanted to give you a quick look about this guys, and it's fun. You just gotta make sure you watch a couple videos of what you're doing, how you're doing it, the infill. You need to know how to place it, support, all that kind of little things, so you can save a lot more plastic. So just wanted to show you this guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good one guys. Peace.